Hello, Jay Hoffman and Sleepy Hollow friends. Miss Darcy here, and it's science time. So for today's experiment, what we're going to do is we are going to see a rainbow in a little while, and it's very simple. As you can see, Miss Darcy has a bowl with some kind of candy in it, so you can see if we can figure out what it is. I wonder. Well, Miss Darcy will show you. All you need is a bowl or a plate of any kind to make a circle, and then you put your candy in there. Now, the kind of candy that I'm using are M&Ms. So if you guessed M&Ms, you are correct. And if you notice, Miss Darcy made a pattern with her M&Ms. I did red, and then orange, yellow, green, blue. And I went all the way around in a circle. Okay? And the way that we're going to make our rainbow is just with some regular water. Okay? So after you make your circle in your bowl or plate on your plate, then all you're going to do is pour the water into the center here until it reaches all the way the outside by the M&Ms, and then we're going to watch and see what happens. So here we go. And you don't need a lot of water. You can just pour it in until it reaches to the top so you don't see the bowl anymore. Okay, in the middle you'll see that it's full. And now we're going to watch and see what happens. Now, this doesn't happen right away. It takes a little time, but while you're waiting, you can start to think and guess, what do you think is going to happen to those M&Ms? Are they going to dissolve, meaning are they going to disappear? Or are they going to change colors? So you can start to think, what's going to happen when that water starts to touch the M&Ms? Oh, but if you can see, something is starting to happen. The water has made the M&Ms wet, and this is causing the shell, the candy coating on the outside of the shell, to be wet, and so the colors are starting to go into the water. They're starting to melt off of the candy and into the water because there's chocolate in the middle of an M&M, and it's coated with a candy outside. So if you can see, there's our M&Ms, and it's starting to make our rainbow. You can see the red and the orange and the yellow and the green and the blue, and they're starting to go towards the middle of my bowl. Now, if you've noticed, this doesn't go very fast, but you can watch and you can try and think, what's going to happen with those colors? And you can see they're moving towards the center, and it's making a rainbow of all the colors eventually merging together all the way in the center of my bowl. Now, if you want it to move a little quicker, you can pour more water. The less water you have in the bowl, the longer it will take for those colors to merge together. Okay? But if you can see, our colors, they merged all together right to the center of the bowl, and they made a rainbow. So I hope you've enjoyed this science experiment today, and it's pretty easy. And this is one that, even though Miss Darcy did hers outside, you could do yours inside. Just make sure you do it in an area that's safe and easy cleanup, just in case a spill happens, and always have a grown-up help you. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this rainbow experiment today and that you have a rainbow day. Bye for now.